So guys, how are you doing? And what about your homework? Are you ready to demonstrate the main task? Oh, interesting. So namaste, it is mean hello, yeah? It means hello. Okay, guys, we will wait 2 minutes and we will start our final day. Okay, guys, so nice to see you right now. And today our final day of our training. So it is a big training session goes to the finish. And now I would like to I'm going to share my screen. Yeah. Okay, so we have prepared for you a very interesting program for this day. And go. Are you ready to start, guys? I didn't see any reaction from your side. Guys, where is your reactions? Oh, great. Okay. Your feedback is very important for us. Okay, let's start. And today is the final day of our training session. And on this day, we will provide summing up and the main task review. So our duration of our camp will be 3 hours. We have prepared for you some surprises, of course. But before we go to our surprises, I would like to remind you about the best team of trainers. Timofey, Elena, Nikita, Ilya, Tatiana, Artur, and of course me. And now we would like to take with you the common photo. I hope you are ready and you're looking forward this process. So guys, please turn on your cameras. Yeah, I see your smiles. It is great. Yeah, my hair too. Okay, great. See many smiles. Yeah, we will wait many of you. Oh, hi, Stotam. Hi, Alexei. Hi, Ayush Kumar. Hi, Samir Darshan. Hi, Nivai. Hi, Reiki. Hi, Deepak Kumar. Hi, Ashutosh. Hi, Pavel. Yeah, perfect, guys. So, and hello, everyone who turned off the cameras. Okay, we will take a photo with only with them who turn on the cameras. Okay, guys, I hope you're ready. And the best photo will start in 3, 2, 1. Just smile. Great. Just a moment, I will save our photo. And the second chance of it. 3, 2, 1. Just smile. Reiki, your smile is the best. Of course, I award you the first place of the smile. Okay, guys, and the last chance to take the best photo. 3, 2, 1, smile. Great. Okay. Okay, great. Thank you all. And don't forget that we will repeat our this routine, our common photo. We will repeat in the end of our meeting. We will repeat it in the end of our meetings. Now, I would like to continue our briefing. So let me share my screen. Just a moment. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So what do we expect of this day? First of all, of course, when our briefing is finished, we will go to the checking your homework. So today we have more time than in previous days. Today we have 60 minutes, and it is mean that you have a chance to demonstrate your homework and ask the questions and get the feedback from our trainers. And of course, we will demonstrate you how it works correctly. Okay, then when we will finish this process, we will go to provide the Clover drone platform review. And Timofey will tell you about the interesting projects, maybe interesting functions of drones. And this topic will help you to build your own educational trajectory in aerial robotics with Clover. Then we will have a coffee break time in 10 minutes. After coffee break, mini game will begin. And finally, we provide the camp summary, and I will tell you about the future steps, and Ilya will tell you about the methods and any kinds of cooperation with CopterExpress company. And the interesting moments of this topic, of course, it's the future competitions, such as the WorldSkills Asia competition. We will tell you about how to register on this competition. And finally, you will have a time to provide open microphone. So this is time for you, and we will be glad to hear some information about you, maybe about your organization, maybe about your plans for the future. And this is not officially, it is only for us, for good community of this camp, and it is a really good chance to provide introduction yourself. And of course, our best part, it's a common photo in the end of this day. Okay, guys, I hope you are ready to start. And now we are ready to start checking our homework. So today we will have only one breakout room. So this breakout room will be for small talks, but in the main session will be for all of you who perform the main task. And also, if you didn't the task, you can ask any questions or you can demonstrate your problem of it, and we will try to resolve it. Okay, so do you have any questions? Great. Yeah, I know you are ready to start demonstrating your homework. Okay, we are ready to check in. So Timofey, Lena, Nikita, are you ready to check in the homework? Yeah, I see that you're ready. Okay, so I think we can start. Okay, guys, please welcome to the main session. And we are ready to start to check in your homework.
Yeah, if you're ready to show your homework, just write it down in the chat. And I see one person is already ready. So Serozhkin and Vladislav, you can share your screen.
You turn off the share of screen in this conference.
Yeah, wait a second.
Try again.
Oh yeah, I see there are different sizes, which is great. Okay, let's go to the fireplace. So it has 4,355 pixels. Okay, and I see the green one is different. Then you need to land. Yeah, you load your water and take off again. And you should have green LED. Yeah, it is green.
You also can open the video share.
Yeah, do you have outlines of the colors in your web video server on the browser?
Yeah, but I don't do a subscriber. I just have a dev that I turn on when I need it. And the publisher in the browser don't open all time.
So it will not work in this program, right? You didn't include it in program.
No, it works, but only when I read the Mac. I mean, like when I print it, the publisher is in the browser. We can see something.
Yeah, All
I
right.
can do it.
Yeah, you can show
Mhm.
us if you've done it. Yeah, great. I see you have done this correctly. And you even write a dot in the center of your squares. Good job. Yeah, thanks. Yeah, we can stop here. Thank you for your homework. And let's go to the next participant.
Алексей Щекотихин.
Okay. Okay, I have black window. Maybe I can go fix this problem.
Okay.
Ладно.
Next, Reiki Dasril.
Че? О. Лол. Че?
Reiki, are you ready? Guys, who is next?
Reiki?
Unfix problem. I can.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
So it's gonna be me or all right.
Yeah, you can do that.
Is my
Yeah, it's a very big blue one. Maybe you should update your topic. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I see. Everything is fine for now. Great. Thank you for your homework.
right, thank you.
Yeah. Okay, we can ask Alexei again. Alexei, are you ready now?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Yeah, you can start.
Yeah, okay.
Mhm. Yeah, good job. So you have completed the whole task, but I think the coordinates of water were a little bit different from where you landed. Is there any problem with your program?
No, it's just don't correct position. Let's show.
Which
It's-
coordinates?
Is find the water and landing to this.
But
After
where do you
find-
get the coordinates from in the list, in the chords list?
Wait. Here.
Okay, maybe you have maybe there are some incorrect coordinates, or did it?
Maybe.
Well, anyway, overall the task is fine, so thank you. But the coordinates were, well, it landed off the water, so you can fix that and then it will be correct. Okay, thank you. We can go to the next participant. Who is next? I think it's Soumya Darshan. Yeah, Alexei, you can stop the screen now and we will watch the Darshan screen.
Can you see my screen?
Yeah. We did not see your screen. Oh, now it's loading. Yeah, okay. Oh, you added some text on the image.
Yeah.
Good. All right, you have refilled your water and flying to the fire. Yeah, if you can see that sometimes the drone is not taking its position because you're flying so low and the markers, it doesn't see enough markers to stay stable. So you should fly higher, or maybe you should position your markers so it will block less markers. I mean, yeah. So
Yeah, I can see.
The red one is now covering 4 Aruku markers, but you can place it so it covers only 2 of them. Yeah, anyway, it's a good program. Thank you. Let's go to check the next one. The next one is Ayush Kumar Chinaran.
Yes,
Guys, you also can show the first and second homework.
I cannot see your screen yet. For some reason, it's loading slowly.
Is it visible?
Well, it's still loading. I cannot see the screen. Is your internet connection stable?
Yeah, it's stable.
I still cannot see. Oh yeah, now it's there. Okay, let's go.
Is it visible?
Yeah, we can see that. All right, you're taking it off. Yeah, and you detect the first color, then you're detecting a red color. And what is the area? The area is 15,000.
It is interesting that the area of fire is larger than the area of water.
The green area is 6,000. Let's go to water and grab some. Oh, landed a little bit off. Once again, I think it's because the water blocked a lot of Aruku markers. So none of the markers that touch the blue marker are working now because they're blocked by blue water. And that's why the drone may lose its position. So you better position marker on top of another Aruku marker. And now let's go in and extinguish this fire. And once again, all the markers are blocked now. So there is no single marker that is working correctly. And this is why the drone cannot stand on its position. And now it's landing. It's going to land. Yeah, good job. A few moments, well, that I would suggest you to change is to place your color markers differently or fly a little bit higher or both of them. Okay, thank you. If you have any questions, you can ask me.
No, thank you.
Yeah, thanks. Let's go to the next one.
Next, Mikhail.
Yeah, and in this world, color markers are positioned fine, and they block less Aruka markers than in the previous one. So it's okay. Let's see how it works. Do you have any image topics? I cannot hear you, by the way.
I have the image topic, but there I only publish in the binarized image.
Oh, okay.
So I think it has some little bug. I'll
Show
restart
the
it.
terminal. Can you show the terminal, this one? The terminal from Gazebo. Yeah, can you just try to restart the program? Just run it again.
Okay.
Is it taking off?
No.
Yeah, then you need to restart the simulator.
Okay. Oh, it zoomed.
हाँ हेलो
Oh, you
और
didn't
थोड़ा
create
ऊपर कर देते तो
world?
अच्छा होता। अभी 0.7 की हाइट पूरा सही से चल रहा है।
right size and
the green size.
Okay.
So LED is the green.
It is, yes. Okay. So you can just save this world, and this task will be complete. Okay, good job.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, we can go to the next one.
Philip, we are waiting for you.
Okay, just a minute. Run the program.
Do you have any image topics?
Red area only.
Okay.
And in mono.
Yeah.
Mono
Okay, I understand.
A2.
Mm-hmm.
Just a minute.
Yeah, it is green. I see this. Yeah. Well, overall, the task is completed. Thank you. Good job, Philip. Now we can go to the, is it the final? Yeah. New way Yifro. You can share the screen with us. Are you here, New way? New way, are you here with us? We can check your homework now. Tell us something if you're here. Well, if Niwei is not here, I think, oh, he's in another room. Yeah, we will ask him to. Yeah, anyway, he's in another break room, so we will just wait for him to come back and we'll continue.
Maybe anyone want to show us the first and second homework or have a question?
So if anyone no question, I want to ask Timofey, if we will have time, could you repeat the topic, how we can publish to the topic the square of our area and how we can put the text on it?
So what do you want?
Some guys make it.
So you want to publish the outline, like the contour of your image, right?
Yeah.
And
right.
also put the text there. Oh yeah, it's
all right.
Yeah, in a way is already demonstrating his homework. So let's just check this out. Yeah, okay. I see your screen. Do you have any colored markers? Oh, it's the first homework. Okay, great. Let's check the first homework. Yeah, you should fly that p. Yeah, fly square. Yeah, it looks like a square. Let's see if it finishes the square. Yeah, good job. If you have any questions, you can ask, or maybe you have another homework to show. You can speak with your microphone, by the way.
Hello.
Hello, yeah, we can hear you.
Yeah, I didn't have any question. Just I wanted to continue my homeworks.
Okay, so you can make your other homeworks and just, I will not be able to accept them, but you can send the video in the chat and we will see it later. Okay, thank you for your homework.
Okay,
Thanks.
thank you.
Yeah, and let's go back to the Philip's question. Philip wanted to know how to create an outline and also the text on top of the outline. So we can now, I think it's Darshan who made this, right? Am I right? Darshan, did you
Yes,
add
yes.
text? So I think it would be faster if you just teach us and teach Philip how to put text on the image. So could you do that?
Yeah, you can put if condition there and you can put area there. So you
Yeah,
have.
and can you show it in your code?
Yeah. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I'm sharing my screen.
Yeah.
Yeah, in this slide, you can see that there is area 1, area 2, and area 3, and it is defined in this. Okay, that what I am printing the area there. Okay, and if the area is bigger than this value, then print with the contour this line.
Yeah, so this function will actually take as an input at the first argument the image that you will have your that where you will have your text later. So it depends on which area is greater than 1500, and in this place you will get the text called either fire or safe zone or water, and it's the second argument. And the third argument is the coordinates. I think is it the coordinates or what is 100 and 100 here? Can you explain it?
In which line?
Yeah, well, in CV2 put text, third argument is 100 and 100.
That is org. That is org means where you can put the that means the what is it? That means the place where you can put the text. That means if you are covering an area like
yeah, you can also run the program and show again how it works.
I'm showing in the paint.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
If you are covering the whole area, like this is the whole area, and you can push the text in here. Yeah, that is the X and Y position of the text, where you can put the text in the contour.
So the 100 and 100 are X and Y position of the text. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay, but
you can also see that.
Yeah, we can run the program and see how it works. And in Mozilla, can you show the topic here?
Yeah.
Yeah, so the coordinate of 100 is not the center. So if you wanted to put it in center.
Yeah, this line. That means if you write there 1 and 1, this will print in this line, this area.
Okay. Philippe, now can you understand how to do it yourself, or maybe you need some deeper lesson on this question?
If we want to publish it on the center of the area.
Yeah, so can you show the code again? I think to publish it to the center, you need to know moments of your image to determine the coordinate of your area and use this coordinate instead of 100 and 100. So is there anybody who actually did the text follow the color, the colorful object, or nobody did that? Well, I think someone made a point in the middle of the area. Who was that? Can you tell me? Someone just did that.
Yeah, it was me.
Okay, great. Let's see how you did that. And then we can combine this knowledge to create our text in the center of all these squares. So.
Well, firstly, I don't use the moments because I did this code before, and it's maybe more easily for me.
Let's see.
I use the CV2 method, the bounding rect, that gives you X and Y coordinates of bottom left point of our contour, and height
of this rectangle. Yeah, at the height and the width of the rectangle.
yeah. Well,
this is area.
Yeah. This is area, and the center X is I find like that. X plus weight √2, and center of Y. Well, then I draw a circle at the center of our contour.
Yeah, and now if you wanted to add text instead of circle, what would you do? You could use a CV2 add text. Yeah.
How can I write this?
Put text.
It's put then uppercase T text. So it's like that. Let me type it. Yeah, the second T must be bigger. No, the first P is small. Yeah, and the second T is big one. Yeah, okay. So I will share the link on the group chat, or you can find some more info on that. Yeah, and really in this case, it's much easier to get your center with this, not with moments, but with the contour and with this function.
But you know, I mostly work with the moments, and sometimes I think the moments can be more easily for use or more needable for use.
Yeah, it all depends on the task. So for some tasks, it's better to use moments. And in this case, it's okay to use the bounding rect. Yeah, so first argument is the image where you will add text to. Second argument is the text. And the third argument is the center.
The center, X center, Y center. Well, the argument, font, what does mean font?
It's a Schrift.
Okay.
So you can use just CV2 font or some default fonts, like in the example that I sent you in a link. It's font Hershey Simplex. It's called like that. So you can copy it's a constant. You should be uppercase. So let me send it.
Find it.
Let me send it to you.
Font synthesis. Yeah.
Like this, you can. Okay, you already done it.
On scale 1. 1. And color maybe like that. This 2. Okay. to line AA. Well, I think it can be worked. Controls.
Updated, and let's check. Can you? All right. Yeah. Now it's printing. Yeah, it's printing right from the center. And if you would do that in a loop, so you will see moving rectangle with moving text in the center. Okay.
I think I can do it. One
All right.
second.
Yeah. Let's do that. So this one, the triple, what is this called? Quotation marks means you will comment all the section. It will not be used in your code. Are you using subscriber here or not?
1 second. No, it's just div. I take the frame right there. I use the method wait for message and take only one frame.
So yeah, this is another approach how you can process images. This one is I think it's more optimized. Well, it will consume less Raspberry Pi power.
For me, I can control it more easily than I do this subscriber.
Yeah.
Well,
So there you can either
control
subscribe to topics or just get messages one by one whenever you need them. All right, and now if you move your drone, can you show the both screens? I mean, both windows in the same time. So minimize. Yeah, move Gazebo to the left and yeah, like this. It was okay. All right, Philippe, I hope you now understand how to do that. You can make screenshots if you want. And,
yeah, thank you very much.
Yeah. And let's overview some of the homeworks that were also great. I think it's by Reiki Desiril. Reiki, can you show us the code of your homework? And I will, if it's correct, I will even try to run this homework on a real drone. Reiki, are you here? Yeah, let's check, because I think he made it just the way that I showed, and that's the way I would do that. Oh, well, do you have your code? Yeah, okay. If anybody else thinks their homework is good for testing on a real drone, you can write in the chat and we will test this one. So Ricky, maybe you just don't even need to bother. So yeah, let's test their chance homework. Yeah, okay. Let's test your homework. So you can send us your file. I will review it and run it on a Clover. Oh, Ricky also will send on Telegram. Okay. Okay, I see the first homework downloaded. And another one. Okay, I've got 2 homeworks. Let me open them and review. Okay, this one is from Reiki. Let's see. Condition undefined. Then we have area if 0, and they both go to image callback. Okay, then file rescue mission, bridge, publisher, set effect, navigate wait. This one, I guess it's from block programming. Okay, next one is image callback. So you get your image. Make a bigger screen, bigger font. And HSV green in range red 1, red 2, red, blue. So green, red, and blue. We have these colors, but I think the values may not work on our field, but we will change them. Then we have moments of red and moments of green. Those two. Contours draw contours. And this one is for, can you comment on this one? So if G moments not 0 and R moments not 0, then R area and, okay, you will only calculate area of each of those if both are not 0. Reiki, can you comment on this one? I just need to. But what if it doesn't see one of those? What if it does only see the green moments and does not see R? Well, if it is 0, then none of those will be calculated. Am I right? So is this an error here? I mean, is this a mistake or there is still purpose for doing it that way? I want to understand. Okay, anyway, let's see what's next. Red, green, blue, condition safe zone, body of water, fire area and undefined. And then you publish. Okay, then you subscribe. Then you take off. Then you go to the first coordinate. Sleep. Then you set effect. Then sleep. Then print, sleep. Then you fly into safe zone. Okay. I think we can do. Okay, one more thing. What if we do not have green colors there? Will this program work if there is no green color? Ricky. Not sure. Well, we can check this. Okay. Okay, I will run this program as is because the field size, the arrow map size is the same, so it shouldn't go somewhere unintended place. But I think it might not work as expected. Let me connect Wi-Fi. So I will test flight. Let me test fly. Okay. And now let's try this program. So I think it will not work from the first attempt, but let's try anyway. And also, yes, now let's see where our red should be. Red fire area 1.4, 0.5. Лена, можешь поставить красную метку, координату 1,4 метра по X? Это третья, ближе к нам. Иди ко мне. Туда. И на 22-ю, просто на 22-ю. Наверное, так, да. Okay, and then safe area, water area is 35. Синюю можешь положить. Сейчас, подожди. Так, стой. Между 15 и 16, но чуть выше. Да, наверное, так. Yeah. Let's try it that way. Пока оставь просто. All right. We will try this. Three, two, one, take off. No. Okay, it's red area of 0. Then undefined area 0, and then okay, I said you wrong coordinates for this one, so it should have been there. Oh, look at this. Spraying water and well, somehow it worked, but not perfectly. I think there is some local variable R area referenced before assignment. So this one is an error. So it didn't see any red before. And also the color, I think we need to increase much more all the values there. Yeah, so minimum values would be 50 and 50 there. And for the hue, they would go from 0 to 10 and from 169 to 179. Okay, like that. I will run this program again. Oh, now it is the text in red everywhere. But it detects the correct one as well. An area reference before assignment. So yeah, you have some errors in your code. Definitely. It landed perfectly. Okay, I don't think we have a lot of time for further tests, but you get the idea. And this is the Trchan's homework. Well, anyway, thank you all for doing this. This is great results. And I think we can proceed to our next step. Svetlana, what is our next step?
Okay, thank you everyone for your homework. So what do you think about this practice time with Timofey? So how you estimate it from 1 to 10? Please write your comments into Zoom chat. So guys, are you here? Yeah. Yes, guys, I believed in you. Perfect. Yeah, great. Oh. So, Interesting, interesting marks, Timofey. What do you think about it? Okay, thank you guys. It's great that you're here, and it is really great that you have demonstrated many variants of your minds and solutions. So now we are ready goes to our next topic. So, and our next topic is Clover features. So, Timofey, could you tell us about Clover features and maybe any other steps to our participants, the steps that they can apply their knowledge or creating something new and more?
Yeah, sure. I can tell you about that. So most of the information about Clover you can find all on our website. I will just show you where to look. So let me just open everything up. All right, so remember clover.coex.tech. And here, what I want to show you is what else in programming section is there, but we didn't discuss yet. So one important article is code snippets. If you want to learn new things, for example, so what's the, you can calculate distance between 2 points or disarm the drone. So you will stop the propellers just, and if you do that in flight, the drone will just fall down, which is not recommended, but sometimes it's a needed feature. Well, there's also the code for calculating a horizontal angle or flying along a circular path. So if you want to fly a circle, you can use this code here. Then you can subscribe to a topic from Mavros like this. And there should be some interesting things like, oh yes, I'm sending some Mavlink messages to the copter. If you're familiar with programming the flight controller, and if you're familiar with Mavlink, this is the way you can send any Mavlink message to the drone. And you can also program these switches because, well, you can make the switches work in your program. For example, you can start a program by switching some of them. And this is done through subscribing the topic. The topic is Mavros RC in, and this is the way you change like program's behavior. So this is also a callback function that comes to this topic. And here if data channel 5 is less than 1100, then you do this. So you can just type any code there. Well, pass is just here for making it work without any code. So you will remove pass, of course. Then else, if it's more than 1900, then you do the other things. Okay. Changing flight mode, you can also do that. Or you can find the code for making a flip, which I do not recommend you if you're a beginner, and you better ask some experts before doing this, because it's very dangerous. If you do anything wrong, if you do something wrong, you will break your drone. I don't want you to do that, but still there is the code for flip. Okay. What else? Yeah, you can calibrate sensors from within the code. Enable and disable arc marker recognition dynamically. So you can enable arc marker recognition whenever you want to, and disable when you don't want to. Yeah. The next thing is laser rangefinder. This is a device, the small device that you connect to your Raspberry Pi. And we didn't discuss in this course how to use that, but you can find all the information here in this article. and you can get the information in Python. Also visualize the data. LED strip. Yeah, I gave you this article before, but and you worked with it on your own. Then working with GPIO. This is if you want to connect some external devices to Raspberry Pi, for example, electromagnet or servo motor, you can use GPIO. And this is the article that will teach you how to work with this library and how to connect servos, how to connect electromagnet, and yeah, and that's it for now. Well, there are other devices that you connect with GPIO and so on. Sonar. This is a sensor with ultrasonic transmitter and receiver. And also you can connect it and you will learn everything you need to work with it in this article. The computer vision basics. One great feature about this article is QR code. If you want the drone to recognize QR codes, you can use this code example. I recommend you, of course, changing the topic from image raw to image raw throttled, like here, because otherwise it will consume a lot of CPU, which you don't want to. And this code will just print information. But you can do any other things with the data that you get there. Also, there are RVs and RQT. Those are some ROS tools that will allow you to visualize some more information of ROS. They are installed on the simulator in the virtual machine, so you can find it there. And you can even connect Aerial Clover via Wi-Fi to your virtual machine and see all these things. This is great, I think. Auto-run, software auto-run. For example, if you want your program to run automatically on start, you can do it with either systemd or ROS Launch. I recommend you ROS Launch because it is more connected to ROS ecosystem. So you can find information on how to run the scripts. There is also a way for you to implement some web applications that work in Clover. And this article shows you how to use JavaScript for working with ROS. And you can write some web application that will run services, read topics, and so on. Yeah, blocks programming, you already know this thing. Simulation, you already know this, okay. And some more information about ROS and about MAV ROS is here. What else? We have a lot of different events, and one of them is Copter Hack 2021, a great thing that combines teams from different countries and they do their projects. So you can read about these projects here. For example, this is the winner of this year. Sorry, it's in Russian, but there should be. Later on, there will be English article as well. Also, there are many other teams, and you can read more about them in these links. And if you are willing to create your own projects, we invite you to participate in Copter Hack. The next year, we also do our Copter Hack. So Yelena will tell you more about Copter Hack later, I guess. Will you? Yes, Yelena will. And here you can see that we do this Copter Hack for many years. And there's information about previous years of Copter Hack. And Clover-based project. So what can you do with Clover? Let's see some of the projects that were done. First of them that I will show you is the drone show. This is the video of the drone show in action. This is actually a real theater where Clovers are performing their role. And let's see when they start flying. Yeah, those are Clovers. They are programmed not manually, but with a drone show. And to program Clover in drone show, you don't need to type its code, but you need to create animation in Blender and then export this animation to the drones. So there is a good tutorial on how to set it up. Still needs some time to set up, but it works. And this is the GitHub where you can find more information about drone show. Yes. Okay. If you're an engineer or a 3D modeler or 3D printer, you can also create some hardware things about Clover, for Clover. For example, this team of two made a spherical protection for the drone like this. And so that you can hit walls and everything else without losing your drone. A good thing. If you're also an engineer, you can create something like that. Look, 3D printed generative design frame. This team participated in Clover in the Copter Hack 2021, and they created this project. So it's a computer-based generative design frame for Clover. And they proved some of the advantages of this frame compared to the default frame. And if you want to improve it even more, if you have your own ideas on how to do that, you can create something similar or better. It's limited to your fantasy and to the technology that you use. And this frame is pretty durable. It is light and robust. What next? Yeah, a few years ago, I participated in this project. This is a drone with a 3D scanning camera installed on it. And I think you all have already seen this video, but I can play it again. So let's find the most interesting part. Yeah, so the drone will take off and perform the scanning automatically. And then you will get the 3D model of a person. Yeah, and Clover allows you to connect multiple additional parts and devices so you can get the results quickly. Okay. Also, we had internship. So we had a student who has internship in COEX, and he created the project with pose estimation to control the drone. So the drone will follow the signs that Hani, his name is Hani Hamid. So he controls the drone with his arms like that and the camera. Also a very interesting project that combines multiple different things. Okay, Svetlana wants to add something.
Yeah, I would like to add about interesting case in this. So Hani has known about our company, and he would like to create their diploma project based on the Clover platform, and he has a major in robotics, and he has prepared a diploma project for his university, and he demonstrated and he provided internship in our company, and then he passed all exams and demonstrated his diploma project.
Yeah, so there are great opportunities if you are interested in robotics to work with Clover and do some cool projects. Yeah, let me find some more interesting things. Yeah, drone to fight coronavirus. Yeah, interesting thing. So this is a drone that will recognize whether you have a mask on you or not. Like that, masked, unmasked. Yeah, a funny thing, but maybe useful in pandemic times. Yeah, and indoor mapping drone. This team decided to put a LiDAR on Clover, and they created this project where with LiDAR to scan interior like buildings of the building and create some map. This is the results. Videos are currently unavailable, unfortunately, but there are some screenshots. So they began to program it in Gazebo. Then they switched to the real drone and it works. And they can make these types of 3D maps. Well, those are 2D maps actually. So 2D maps for now with the drone. Yeah. Let's see what's here. Yeah, and the seeding drone that will place the seeds of some plants. And it's also a good ecological project that you can build with Clover. Well, of course, you will not use Clover in industry for this purpose because it's a small drone. For industry, you can use bigger drones, but the architecture of the drone would be the same as in Clover. So you can use, yeah. So you can use Clover for testing things, and then you will switch to some industrial drones. Yeah, what else?
This team took fourth place in CopterExpress.
Света, где там это? Где эта статья? Не помню. Yeah, yeah, and also Svetlana reminded me of another project. Let's see.
Timothy, we also have a question from Dashan. Can you tell about something on GMAT sim in Clover platform?
Okay, JMAF sim, it's well, it should work in the latest versions of simulator. Previously, it wasn't that easy to install, but it's not. Let's see. We currently do not use it so much as Gazebo. So JMAF sim is it lacks the simulation of camera and you can only simulate PX4 and GPS with it. For example, if you want to simulate outdoor flight, you can use JMAF sim. But for indoor flight, it's better to use Gazebo because you can simulate camera and computer vision there, which is what we want, actually. Yeah, and there should be also the project. I forget where it is. IMF, I think. Let's search. Svetlana, you remember where the IMF project was in Spain? Yeah, there is also a team from COEX participated in the international competition for programming drones, and they created the warehouse monitoring drone that would fly and recognize some QR codes and make a revision of what's there in the warehouse. So I will quickly find this article and show you. Sure. Yeah, okay, I cannot find this article for now, but if my colleagues will find it, they will give it to me and I will show you what was the results there. So anyway, as you can see, you can do many different things with Clover, and even you can even start without having a real drone. You can start with only your computer and the virtual machine with all the Clover software, and then you can switch to the hardware. Also, you can create your own drones, like a bigger industrial drones that will run Clover on their onboard computer, and so there is a lot of things that you can do. And now I can answer your questions. This is our last day, so you can use your chance to ask me the questions and I will give you the answer. Let's see if we have something in chat. Yeah, I already answered one of them, but if you want to ask, you can unmute yourself and just ask me with a voice.
And excuse me, which opportunities the OpenCV can give for us?
Okay, OpenCV is well, with OpenCV you can edit images, you can detect some features based on color, based on shape. You can detect shapes and some maybe numbers and text on images. But what I think OpenCV is not very good at is recognizing complex projects. For example, if you want to recognize people or cars or trees or fire, it's better to use some neural network for that. There's also the project that one of our students did. Let's see, this is the face recognition project that also has funny pictures of him and of me in the fisheye camera. You will see it very soon. Where is that face recognition system? Yeah. So it would actually pass the image to your computer, to your to your laptop, and there the neural network will perform some recognition. So there's two people that it can recognize, and it says the name of these people. Yeah, as you can see, the very funny pictures. And so here is what you can do to try to recreate this project. I think the last person who tried this, there were some problems, so you may need to debug the code if you want. But I recommend you, if you want to do some complex recognitions, it's better to have some sort of neural network that is running on your ground station, because neural networks are very CPU intensive and GPU intensive. So Raspberry Pi might not be enough for that, but you can stream your video in real time on a distance, and then you can process it on your computer. Yeah, thank you for your question. I can now answer the others.
So thank you very much.
Yeah, let me show you this example of agriculture. Where was that? What the example are you talking about? I think there was a Russian article. Let's check this out real quick.
I sent the link with this article about face recognition.
Oh yeah, there is English. So this is mostly for detecting colors, but I think this is not very sophisticated. It's just some basic OpenCV, and also I remember there are some bugs in the code, so it will not, this is not optimal. So just for you to know. Okay. Yeah. Okay, any other questions? If there is no, we can maybe proceed with the next part of our session.
Yeah, I think we can go to our next part of our session. So let me share in my screen to check out our plan for today. Oh, great. So guys, do you hear? Oh.
Yes, we hear you.
Yeah, and right now because so guys, maybe like this one is better. Okay, so the second chance. So what I would like to say. So yeah, this is our plan for today, and now we will have a coffee break time, 10 minutes. Then we will continue. We start our second part of the final day from mini game, and finally we will tell you about our. We provide summing up, and we'll tell you about the future steps. So 10 minutes for coffee break time. Enjoy it and come back in time, please. So guys, 1 minute left. And we are ready to start with you mini game. Do you remember about it? I hope yes. Okay, guys, I see many of you here. So Mikhail Kapitonov is here. What about other guys? Are you here? Are you ready to start a mini game? Tun, 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 tun. Yeah. I see many pluses. Great. So where is Reiki? Reiki is here. Oh no, he is ready to start the mini game from team of Malaysia. I think we are ready to start our mini game. So Lena, welcome. Please tell us the rules of this mini game.
I think that guys know what do. Sure. I demonstrate my screen. Yes, I know.
Okay, guys, we await you on mini game after coffee break time.
So where you? Interesting name. Just a number. Numbers.
So this mini game will be. I suppose that this will be the biggest mini game in our training camp history. Okay, guys, 30 seconds before we start. Twenty seconds. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's start.
Okay, let's start. Final Kahoot. And first question for you. Where is the y-axis directed in the frame ID body? I think it is easy for you. Oh. Okay. Yes, to the left. And second question. In which axis the drone is rotating? Be careful, see the arrow, because this is direction forward of drone. Yes, it's roll. Next question. What mode is used to check the readiness of the copter for autonomous flight? Do you remember this? It is position mode. Okay. Next question. What range is U in OpenCV? You know this question. You already answered. Three, two, one. Yes. Almost right. Where is the image coordinate? 0, 0. Top left. You are right. How do you stop a program? One second. And Control C, of course. Next question. What actions will the copter perform when running this code? Be careful. We think that is a difficult question, and we have more time for this question. 1 minute. Ten seconds.
Oh, guys, this is a really difficult question for you.
Wow, one guy. Who is it? Maybe you tell why? Who knows?
I think there wasn't a navigate service called.
Yes, you're right. Congratulate. You are very careful. And next question.
It was answer from real trainer.
What command is needed after editing the launch files? Yes, almost right. What is the callback function used for? It is your favorite question. We have difficult question in past quizzes and it's processing top data. Okay. How do you calculate x coordinate of your object in OpenCV? Be careful. Numbers. Okay. Next question. What should you turn on first? Drone, transmitter, doesn't matter. Oh. Okay. Yes. I think that you some of you be careful because turn on. And next question. This is final question for you. What should you turn off first? Drone, transmitter, doesn't matter. Yes, it is drone. And we are ready. See podium and third place, Vasya. Second place, Vitaly Fan. And first place, Pom Pom. This is difficult. A, B, B, C, D. And we congratulate you. And we are ready to continue. Well done. Oh, perfect.
Okay, guys, we congratulate our congratulations to the winners of Kahoot. So this was the biggest test of your knowledge, and all questions combine all main topics that you have learned during our Aerial Robotics camp. So now we are ready to go to our next topic. So this is a summing up of our aerial robotics skill. And let me share in my screen. Just a moment. Yeah. So guys, are you ready to finalize our all parts of our camp? So please write something in the Zoom chat. Okay, guys. So, okay, we are ready to continue. And of course, this is our official closing ceremony of our Aerial Robotics camp. And let's start. So first of all, we would like to say many thanks to WorldSkills Asia to support us during this camp and for opportunity to create this camp, this preparation for the WorldSkills Asia competition. And of course, the great thanks to WorldSkills Russia and Anna Malinovskaya personally too for supervisor our working and help for her help during our camp. Anya with us right now, so Anya, you in the live stream, please welcome.
Hello, dear friends. I hope you can hear me properly. If so, please react. I'm really glad to see you.
Yeah, it's great.
Thank you. I'm really glad that you were with us all this week. And I'm glad that you were active, that you worked hard, and that you did your homework. Did you do it? Did you really do it? It's really very important that during these pandemic times, we find opportunity to be all together in one space, thanks to Zoom developers, and that we developed all together, that we developed our new skills, and that we even try to operate drone from such a big distance. It's could you imagine this like about 2 years ago? Me not, and I can say that for me it's still a great miracle how a person can operate drone from such a big distance. And of course, let us say great thing to our experts team, Svetlana, Tatiana, Timofey, Elena, to our colleagues from Sakhalin region. Guys, I'm really proud of you. You are very professional. You have a great experience of holding offline and online events, and you always create anything new, anything unique. Thank you for this, for all these games, for this very special atmosphere. And a small surprise will be waiting for you in our organizers chat. So thank you. Should I explain our future steps concerning competition now or a bit later?
Oh, thank you, Anya. So if it's possible, it will be great if you join us some later to tell us about the details of WorldSkills Asia competition, of course.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you, Anya. So go to our next speaker. So I would like to give words to Oleg Ponfilenok, our CEO of CopterExpress. So Oleg, welcome.
Hello, everyone. Thank you, Svetlana. Hear me? Yeah, okay. Hello again, and I'm glad to be here with you today. And thank you for finishing this training. I would like to say thank you for all colleagues from Worldskills Russia, from Sakhalin, and of course from COEX team who organized this. I guess you made a great work, and for all participants who put through all these trainings day, you're also very great, and I hope you learn a lot of new things, because I also have seen these materials, and it's quite amazing. Of course, if you want, you can continue to repeat it watching a YouTube video recording. I really hope it was very helpful for you. And next, I want to invite you to our hackathon Copter Hack. It's a competition for your projects. You can participate with any project that you would like, that you want to create. It could be any project related with drones, and I hope to see you there. We will launch at 1st of June, so you're very welcome, and I really hope to see you next time on the next events, especially in Copter Hack. Thank you very much, and good luck with your projects.
Hey, thank you, Oleg. So yes, of course, you know more information about our event, and I will tell you about this some later. So, but it will be today, of course. So now, now we are ready to go to our next topic. I would like to provide summing up of our Aerial Robotics camp. So thank you all for participation in this camp, because Aerial Robotics united many countries, and we really was surprised that 20 countries have joined us during this camp, and it was really amazing to get feedback from you, to see how you learn new skills, how you perform the homework, and to see how about your growth. It's really interesting, and it's awesome. Great. Thank you, guys. So some words about what we have done during our Aerial Robotics skills. So you have performed the big task that has industrial application in the real life, but in here on Sakhalin Island workshop, we provide the simulation of this situation with fire monitoring and fire area calculation. And so you have learned many useful and used skill that we didn't teach anything before, because we have prepared this program special for WorldSkills Asia, and we suppose that it's a really important information and a really important skill for you next educational trajectory. So during our camp, you have learned about types of indoor navigation, about drones and how it works, about Python language, Linux system. You have tried to perform the task during Gazebo simulation and on a real drone. You have used computer vision system on Clover drone with color recognition. You have provided visualization, and you have created the virtual world into Gazebo simulator. And also you have learned how to work some sensors on drones, and of course a LED strip. It's really awesome 4 days, and the big luggage of knowledge. It's amazing, guys. Congratulate you. My congratulations to you. Yeah,
Thank you.
Great, thank you too. So, and some videos from our site, from our YouTube videos, so you can see how it works in online. So this is our competition management center on Sakhalin Island with drones, with a real Clover, with test sites, and how it was in the live stream on YouTube, and how we have prepared with you the task in Gazebo simulation environment. So, and also I would like to demonstrate you educational trajectory again. So we have started from Gazebo simulator. Then we check and we test some features, some code examples on the Clover, and it allows you to debug your code and check it on the real drone. And now you have prepared to participate in competition in different level. And of course, the main purpose, main idea of each preparation track, it's allow you to get your knowledge that allows you to create something new, such as the open source project in aerial robotics area. And of course, we use the same brains for our drones. The brains, the brains on Clover is similar with the industrial drone Pelican. It's a SpeakSoc and Raspberry Pi, and you can educate, you can teach, you can try your ideas and you crazy ideas on Clover, and then apply it on the real drone Pelican. And some words about the project. So you can be a part to create something new in aerial robotics. So we have many examples of the projects, and Timofey told you about it before in our previous topic today. And the main feature of this project that you can use description of this project, you can code examples, and your own project can be based on the previous works of the previous participants. So it means that you can upgrade and improve projects what you want. Yes, and some interesting project from our side. Timofey told you about the 3D scanning drone, but also I would like to demonstrate you the project that our students performs during their camp, in the summer camp. In Russia, we have the longest summer camp, and the main idea of this camp to create projects, and such as example, it was air taxi urban model concept. So they have preparing several drones that they shoot to fly into determined trajectory, and if they have the same direction, they should to get a solution because the drone system has a determined rules of the air flights. And very interesting for us, it's our solutions, our ideas, our equipments, and our events allows to involve different people from different countries, from different ages, starting from the school, goes to the colleges, United Universities participants and students. And of course, we didn't have the upper level of the age, and young specialists can work, they can work with industrial equipment, they can work with educational equipment, they can participate in our events and in Worldskills Russia events, in the hackathons and more. And of course, in Russia, we have provided retraining educational programs for those who has 50+ years old. It's really awesome. Finally, I would like to tell you about events in aerial robotics. So it's a global events in this area. So I think you know one of the most famous competitions, MBZIRC competition. So this competition provided by United Arab Emirates sites and includes flights in outdoor and indoor. So IMAF competition, it's an international competition for micro-autonomous vehicles. It includes drones for outdoor and indoor too, but for indoor navigation system, we have a prefer this direction in our ways of development. And many of teams from our side, from our partner side, they participated in this competition and won the prize. And so, of course, you know about the WorldSkills Russia competitions and events. This competition starts from 12 years old, and it includes WorldSkills national competition for students from schools, colleges, from universities too, and for young specialists. CopterExpress competition, you have heard about this event too much today. It includes, it doesn't have a limits of your age or your specialty, for example, and the number of the teammates in your team. So the application of this CopterExpress will start in June and will be till by end of September this year. So, and you can apply on this CopterExpress with your any project. For example, you can use your diploma project, apply on CopterExpress, and develop your project during the several months. And of course, if you need more information about this event, please contact with Lena Silverstova. You know her, and she is chief organizer of this event, and she will help you in this question. And so finally, in the most closer our upcoming events, it's a WorldSkills Asia online friendly competition. WorldSkills Asia has some competition rules and limits for the participants. Dates for robotics started from 3rd and up to 7 August. And now I think Anna Malinovskaya, please could tell us more about this competition and about rules of application for this event.
Okay, thank you, Sveta. Could you share the slide with information about online friendly skills game? Thank you. So guys, first of all, save the date. Svetlana already mentioned that the game in Aerial Robotics will be from 3rd August to the 7th. Each country is allowed to register one team, and their participants should not be older than 25 years old. And concerning registration, we have here 2 options. We have WorldSkills Asia member countries. For you, you have technical delegate. You have a personal account of technical delegate on WorldSkills Asia website, and your technical delegate should register you through this website. I will share the instructions in our Telegram chat how to register. Just a second. Here is guideline. And the second option is for the countries who are not yet WorldSkills Asia members. You need just fill in the form, fill in Excel form, like you did it before this camp, and send it to my email. You can see it on the screen, and I will of course share this presentation in this chat, so you'll have all the details and you could save them. And the last thing you should remember is deadline for the registration. It's the end of June. It's 30th of June. So for now it's all. Is it clear? Should I repeat anything? Who's going to take part in the competition? Please send pluses in the chat.
Yeah, guys, so
no one is
would
going.
like-
Thank
we
you.
would like to know about it.
Thank you. So
Great.
if you have
Teams from Malaysia and India submit their wishes to join in Asia and Asia competition. Okay,
okay.
good.
If you have any questions, please share them in our Telegram chat, and we will support you and answer everything you want to know.
Yeah, guys, and also now you have a unique opportunity to ask Anna in our live stream. So, and she help you in your questions. I suppose that many questions we will get when teams will be registered on our competition. Okay, thank you, Anya. Or maybe you want to add something or no? That's all?
I suppose no, if there are no questions, that's all.
Mm-hmm. Oh. Okay, thank you, Anya. So, and now we are ready to go to the next topic. So this is a time for open microphone, and we tell you, we discuss with you many many opportunities to cooperation and more. And now time, if you want to provide some introduction of your team or your teammates or your organization, it is a good time for it. So don't hesitate it, and it will help us to work together during the long time. So who wants to share information about yourself? This is a great time for it. So we can start. So maybe teams from India or Malaysia wants to start. It's not on. It's don't take more time, but it's only. For example, 1 or 2 minutes, and it doesn't require some presentation, but it's a really good opportunity to provide a short introduction after our camp before we continue our next topic. So after open microphone, we will continue our partnership ways. So guys, don't hesitate to connect with us. Okay, I see a team from Russia, from St. Petersburg. Philippe, okay, you can start. Welcome.
Hi, for just a second. Hi for everyone. We're glad to demonstrate our academy. We're Academy of Digital Technologies in St. Petersburg. We teach children from 10 to 18 years old for many for many areas, and we are very active in movement of WorldSkills and teach children in other competitions, and we take part in national champions of WorldSkills. So you are welcome, and we are glad to see you in St. Petersburg. So we can show you a lot of our laboratories, and they are not only technical and even design and others, a lot of interesting things we can do in our academy. So you're welcome in St. Petersburg and Academy of Digital Technologies. So here we are with our participants and children in Academy, Sergei Zhiltsov and Mikhail Kapitonov. They take part in the last WorldSkills National Championship in age of 12 and 14. So thank you very much for this opportunity and for your team, Timofey. You are nice to hear in other language and in Russian and English too. So we practically understand the all, and so it's very useful for us. So that, thank you very much.
Okay, thank you, Philippe. Thank you for your introduction and for your story about your organization. It's really great. And also, I would like to notice that Academy of Digital Technologies provide different competitions and hackathons and events in aerial robotics, and not only aerial robotics and 3D printing too, and other skills, but they have a really great level of knowledge in aerial robotics. It's really great, and thank you, Philippe. Thank you for your team too. Okay, so now we have our next speaker. So Reiki Dasril. So please welcome.
Hi,
So
hello
please
everyone.
tell us. Yeah.
Firstly, I would like to congratulate and give thanks to the organizing team, COEX, our trainers. So you guys have done a very good job. And also to all the participants. I hope everyone enjoy our day during this training session. I prepared some slides, if you don't mind.
Yeah, we see your slides, but your microphone has some noise, but it's okay.
All right, okay. I try to talk a little bit clearer. Okay, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Reiki Kurnia Wahyu. I'm the director of Aeronav Drone Academy from Malaysia. Okay, so my background is in electrical engineering. And also my experience, I was a teacher and I also a trainer in Aeronav Drone Academy for drone courses. And my expertise around computer science, robotics, drones, and also in graphic designs. Okay, a little bit about our company, which is Aeronav, the unmanned aerial solution. We provide solutions for unmanned system, and we are the Malaysia leading drone-based remote sensing service provider. And we deliver solutions for industrial perplexity by visualizing integrated drone aerial data and IoT sensor on ground data. And this is our track record because our main core business is in aerial data acquisition. So we have covered more than 7,000 hectares of land, and we have flight more than 300 hours for data acquisition, and we have served more than 45 clients that consist of government and private agencies in Malaysia, and we have trained more than 1,000 participants for our professional trainings and also for our educational parts. Okay, so these are among of our solutions. We have created some products which involve construction progress monitoring solutions for precision agriculture and smart farming, for drone security and defense, and also, of course, for enterprise training and consultancy, which is our drone academy itself, which I am the director of this drone academy. Okay, so these are among of our training course, which involve proficiency, aerial mapping, data recovery, and many more. And for COEX technology, we would like to integrate this COEX module to this drone technology for STEM education and also for drone technology development courses. So we will, and for your information, we are the sole dealer and distributor of all COEX products and also COEX training courses for Malaysia, Indonesia, Brunei, and also the Philippines. So we are collaborating we have a strong collaboration with COEX nowadays. And finally, if you have any idea for collaboration, we are very open for any networking and collaboration. So if you want to contact us, you can contact us through our email, which is hello@aeronef.my. And if you want to know more about our organization and our company, you can visit our website and also our media social. All right, I think that's all for me. Thank you for your time. Thank you.
Thank you, Reiki. Really great presentation and really more interesting information for those who from Malaysia and closer countries. Your experience and support. Thank you for it.
Hi.
Oh, okay.
Ashutosh.
Hi,
everyone.
hi, Ashutosh.
I'm Ashutosh Sagrari, representing Team Sibiram Global University from India. And I would like to thank Svetlana and his team, and of course the COEX and Worldskills Russia for organizing such a beautiful training session on aerial robotics. You guys are really working very hard and turning every stone down to educate us about aerial robotics. So that's why I'm very positive that in future we will get more chance to participate in training sessions, especially on projects or any advanced training on aerial robotics. So it's all about thanking you all, guys. You are really great. Thank you.
Thank you, Ashutosh. Your team and your university has joined in each event. It's really great and nice to see how you about your growth started in July, and for today it's a really great experience for you and for us too.
Thank you very much.
Okay. Okay, guys. Maybe you have any questions, or anyone wants to tell about yourself too. Okay, so if you want to say some words, you have opportunity in the end of this meeting. So now we have one topic about information for you. And now I would like to invite our next speaker. So Ilya Khukhuni, please welcome. And I will help you with the presentation. Yeah?
Yeah, please.
Okay, so please welcome Ilya. Tell us more about COEX as a global partner. So, Ilya, welcome.
Hi, everyone. I've been following your progress, and I'm really impressed by how much was done, and you all were great. Special congratulations for those who did it for the first time, because I guess this camp was pretty hard and tough, but you've managed to pass it. And also those who've done it not for the first time, also you're great. I think I want to say a few words to you too. So COEX as a company is developing a wholesome idea of drone education, and as I hope you've seen during this camp, we have developed the educational programs suited for different levels. Also, we as a company which does industrial tasks as well, we have, maybe some of you know, we have already a drone point with drone delivery. Also, we're doing some drone mapping jobs. Also, we as a company are in contact with different educational institutions around the globe, from schools and colleges to chief universities. And this allows us to keep in touch with the professional community and constantly upgrade the educational standards, provide education both for students and even more importantly, the teachers, thus forming the international community of professionals. And that's our main task as a company, I guess, in terms of educational parts. So I hope that during this camp, you've seen many of my colleagues giving you professional high standards training. And we're glad and happy to invite you to join us in this strive to create a better world in terms of drone education. So we're inviting guys from different countries to be more active, to join our educational initiatives, and also work within this framework, providing connection between the industry needs and educational institutions preparing workforce for them. Svetlana, can you please turn the next slide for me? Yeah, then one more slide, I think.
Yeah, no, it was this slide. So just wanted to interrupt you something, but guys, Ilya told you about COEX as a corporation, and I would like it and say thank you everyone. And you now is you are our part of our big international community. And okay, Ilya, please continue.
Yeah, one more thing, and which is that more thing? Please turn on the next slide. Yeah. So as Svetlana was saying previously, this camp had participants from 20 countries, but our community has already 32 countries, and it's growing rapidly. Because last year, I remember me speaking about 20 countries. in the beginning of the last year, it was 12 countries, so it almost doubled within a year. And as you know, if we continue such growth, then in a couple of years we'll cover the whole world. But these figures, I mean, number of countries, is only just a math figure. What is more important is the people behind these skills in every country. And that's really great. We are so happy to see passionate enthusiasts and professionals from really all over the world, from all the continents. I think, yeah, from all over the globe, developing these skills together. And I hope you've witnessed it yourself. This camp had participants from many Asian countries. And for those of you who take part in such skills camp for the first time, just a hint, this skills, WorldSkills events are an excellent opportunity to exchange experience, learn from your colleagues from all over the world about their projects, what they do with the drones, how they implement them, maybe organize some student exchange and everything. So what I want to say, we welcome each and every one of you in our community. We welcome passionate people developing, eager to develop these skills in their countries. We are ready, and we do, and we will support them. And I hope that after these skills, there will be obviously many ideas in your heads how to continue this. And please don't hesitate to contact us, find opportunities for some common projects, do some common things together. Just as Svetlana and Oleg were saying, we invite you to take part in our other projects like Drone Hackathon, which is also an international event. And we will be really glad to see more people developing these skills in each and every country. So if you do have some ideas, don't hesitate to contact us. Later, there will be a slide with our contacts. I think you can just easily find us in Telegram groups. And yeah, feel free to contact us. Don't be shy, guys. And there's one more good news, I think. Svetlana, can you please turn on the next slide? Yeah. To support you in your desire to develop these skills, we've created a special discount for those participating in this camp. I think we'll forward the link to our group. So it's 20% discount till the end of June by this special promo code, because it's Sakhalin, and the team is in Sakhalin. And I do hope that you will remember this word Sakhalin as something which will unite you. So don't hesitate to exchange ideas, be more active, grab maximum out of such international camps, and welcome, once again, welcome to our friendly community. Svetlana, and the other slide. Yeah, this is a photo from WorldSkills final, international WorldSkills final in Kazan. As you can see, there are representatives from all over the world. Guys from I think 12 countries came there to compete and exchange our drone skills, which is called Aerial Robotics now. And you can see that the thing which unites all of us is Clover. So Clover just as Svetlana was saying, is not only just a physical object, but also a platform for international exchange, for creating new projects, fully open source. You can find supporting open chat groups. You can find some teammates from other countries. All this you can do within the Clover community. So good luck to you all, guys. I personally hope to see you on our upcoming events. I hope that during this skills camp, you've learned a lot. And more importantly, you understood how you can use this knowledge further by creating some new projects, by competing, by forming some WorldSkills clubs in your country, and developing these skills further. So, guys, I do congratulate you for finishing this camp, but this was only one of the steps. Go further, don't be shy, and enjoy the life. Thanks, everyone.
Thank you, Ilya. So yes, and of course our contacts of the slide. So don't hesitate to ask us by email or Telegram, and it will be really useful for both sides. Okay, so now we are ready to finish, but before we finish, I promise you to provide the common photo again. So guys, are you ready to take a common photo together and maybe say thanks together? Oh, great. Oh, I see many of you just joined us with cameras. It's really awesome. So guys, we wait 1 or 2 minutes and take the big common photo together again. Okay, so are you ready? I see you're ready. Where is your smile? I see only your tired faces, guys. What's happened? Today you didn't work. Oh, yeah, yes, now I see your smiles. Okay, I'm ready. I'm ready to take a shot. So in 3, 2, 1, smile. Great, and just one more photo. Okay, the second chance to create the best photo in 3, 2, 1, just smile. Okay, good. And the final shot of this photo in 3, 2, 1, smile. Okay, great, guys. So now we have feedback time. So we have if you want to say something, it will be great. Also, I would like to say many thanks each of you, and for your interest, for your hard working during the camp. Thank you, Anya, for support from WorldSkills Asia, for WorldSkills Russia side, and thanks to our trainers. Thank you, Lena. Thank you, Timofey. Thank you, Nikita, and thank you, Ilya. And thanks, Oleg, of course, for support us too.
Thank you, guys.
Yeah, maybe Timofey, Lena, Nikita, you would like to say something to our participants?
Anyway, I can do it. Hey, hello everyone. Do you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, really nice to hear. So once again, I congratulate you with the completing our 4-day seminar. It was really great to work with you, really great to look after you, how you completing our task. And I'm very glad that during this seminar, we have combined the practice part of the real task and the test part of the flying in airfield. That was really great. And this demonstrates that we are ready to combine the already made decisions with a new one. And this makes all us to think about the new projects and to to make our imagination in this field a little bit huge. So once again, I congratulate you. I wish all of you good time during this day, good next week, and all the best from me. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Nikita.
All right. Thank you all for participating in this event. It was really nice to work with you, and I loved how you performed your home tasks. And I really like that you've learned some new things. And those of you who I already know they keep improving their skills, and some people are new here, which is even better. And we are expanding. We involve more and more people and countries, and this is our international cooperation. It's beneficial for all of us. I hope to see you online or offline, would be even better. So participate in championships, in competitions, do your projects, go to hackathons, Copter Hack, and so on, and see you there. Good luck.
Thank you, Timofey. Okay, anybody wants to add something?
So first, I would like to say thanks for everyone who was on this 4-day seminar. I got some new knowledge, and of course, everything who was here got the very nice experience of the internal communication and the experience exchange. So it was very interesting. So I first on the international seminar, and for me the great experience. Thanks for everyone, and very big thanks for the trainers, for the Timofey and other participants. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you, Mikhail. It's a really pleasure to heard about it. Okay. So, anybody else?
Guys, you did a great job. Thank you for your homework, for your questions, for your mood. I like play with you at Kahoot. It's be funny, and it was a best. Congratulate my birthday. Thank you.
Yeah, guys, it was a really awesome event. and it will be stay in our hearts, of course. So I hope all of you say, if you want, you can say now a few words. If no, we are ready to finish our awesome events. And now you can unmute your microphones. Please turn on your cameras again. It will be final meeting, and I think we are ready to say goodbye together in English or on your national language. It will be interesting how it will be sounds.
So on Russian,
До свидания.
До свидания.
Всем пока-пока.
Пока, bye-bye.
Terima kasih.
Спасибо огромное.
Jumpa lagi, selamat tinggal.
Terima kasih.
До встречи, до встречи.
Пока.
We hope
Thank you.
to see you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
See you on
Bye.
our next events.
See you
Don't forget about
Yeah.
WorldSkills Asia friendly competition.
Yeah. See you in next events.
Great. Thank you, guys.
Thank you. Thank
We
you
are
for
waiting
everything.
your homework, of course.
Okay. Thank you, Svetlana.
Thank you, Deepak.
Okay. Bye. See you next event.
Bye, everyone.